Hi there, we are the trio and we would like to present a video about glycolysis. Glycolysis is one of the pathways cells use to transform sugars like glucose into biochemical energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. In the cytoplasm of the cell, glycolysis converts glucose into pyruvate through a series of 10 enzymatic reactions. This process produces ATP along with other products such as NADH that can be used later to produce even more ATP for the cell. Let's watch as these enzymes oxidize one glucose molecule into two pyruvate molecules.
Now, we are going to talk about energy investment phase of glycolysis. This phase involves only 5 steps. Firstly, glucose undergoes phosphorylation to become glucose 6-phosphate, which is catalyzed by hexokinase. During this step, one ATP molecule is used. Secondly, glucose 6-phosphate is converted into its isomer, which is fructose 6-phosphate. Thirdly, fructose 6-phosphate undergoes phosphorylation to become 1,6-biphosphate, which is catalyzed by phosphofructokinase. In this process, another ATP molecule is used. Next, fructose 1,6-biphosphate split into dihydroxycetone phosphate or DHAP and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate or G3P. Lastly, DHAP is converted into G3P. These are the steps in energy investment phase.
Second major phases of glycolysis, energy payoff phase. This phase also involves 5 steps. Firstly, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which is G3P, is oxidized by the transference of electrons and protons to NAD+, forming NADH plus H+, and undergoes phosphorylations to become 1,3-biphosphogycerate. Secondly, a phosphate group is transferred from 1,3-biphosphogycerate to ATP to form ATP by substrate diverse phosphorylations. The 1,3-biphosphogycerate is converted to 3-phosphoglycerate. Thirdly, phosphate groups of 3-phosphoglycerate is relocated to become 2-phosphoglycerate. Fourthly, water molecules is removed from 2-phosphoglycerate to become phosphonyl pyruvate, which is PEP. Lastly, phosphate group of phosphonyl pyruvate is removed to become pyruvate. The removed phosphate groups transfer to ADP to form ATP by substrate level phosphorylations. Pyruvate is produced.
Let's proceed with link reaction, which connects glycolysis to Krebs cycle. Link reaction occurs in the presence of oxygen gas. Pyruvate enters mitochondrion by active transport. The link reaction must occur twice for each glucose molecule because each glucose molecule produces two pyruvate molecules in glycolysis. First, the carboxyl group of pyruvate, GC, is removed as carbon dioxide in decarboxylation process and produces 2C sugar. NADH is produced. The 2C sugar combines with coenzyme A to form acetyl coenzyme A. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and good luck for your PSPM 2.